Okay, so we had bought the whole Walmart Home and Garden front yard light set, and after about a year or so, the transformer went bad. So I've been searching and searching for a replacement, and Walmart no longer has this in stock. And so what I've done is I was at Lowe's and I was looking around, and they had this right here, this Portfolio landscape lighting set. And this one here was a 60 watt total capacity. It's a 12 volt low voltage, so it's the exact same thing as what the Home and Garden was, but it actually has a little more capacity. This one here was only 50 watts, whereas this one from Lowe's was 60. So it's pretty nice. It's got a metal case and everything. You have to kind of mount it wherever you're going to end up putting it. And it's got this really long extension here, so you can run, kind of like on the Home and Garden one, a light sensor, so you know whenever for them to turn on at night. So this one's even longer, which I think actually will work better in my case. So what I'm going to do is, if you look at the connector on here, and see if I can get the, there we go, camera to focus, you can see there's a little plus and a minus already on the end of the connector. So I'm just going to make this as easy as I can to integrate it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come in here and I'm going to cut this way up here and go ahead and strip back these wires so that I can then solder them and easily connect them right into the connector onto, or the terminals onto this Lowe's transformer. So stay tuned and get that done. Okay, so I cut the end off of the old transformer and I stripped back the wiring about almost an inch, as you can see there, and then I put some solder on it so that these wires, since they're exposed on the new transformer, I want to make sure that they don't start to kind of rust and go bad. So there's that. If you're looking at these, where the negative is, you want to follow that straight through to the other side. It's the one that has the ribs on the actual wiring, and you want to take that over here to your transformer, and the negative is on the left and the positive is right there on the right, where I've got these two taken off. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my little fitting from there and I'm just going to wrap this around it with the solder on there so that I have a nice tight connection. Take that, drop it down in here. And so here's the other one. Like I said, this is the positive side. It goes on the right. Again, just bend this around there, like so. Drop down in there. Ooh. And you're good to go. Plug this back into your lights outside that you already had, and you've got a new transformer.